What's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to use SteamTools along with Project Lightning and how to work with the Claw Manifest bot. So first, open up Steam and find the game you want. For example, I'll use Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Once you're on the game page, copy the link at the top. Then paste that link anywhere, it doesn't matter where, and copy the numbers from it. These numbers are your app ID. Next, go to the Manifest section, join the Discord server, and head over to the Lua Files channel. Paste your game's app ID there, and it should automatically detect the game. Once it does, download the zip file. After downloading, open the file and extract it. Now take the extracted file and drag it into Project Lightning. You might get a message saying you need to verify or view the game. Just follow that step. After that, go back, refresh the game page, and paste the app ID into the required section again. Then restart both Steam and Project Lightning. Once everything is restarted, open Project Lightning and check if the game appears in your library. If it shows there, it should also be available in Steam. Now open Steam. If Steam doesn't launch properly or closes during login, don't worry. Just close SteamTools and reopen Steam again. It should load normally this time. When you see loading user data, you're good to go. Now search for your game, like Assassin's Creed Black Flag, and you'll see it available for download. As you can see, I'm currently downloading Spider-Man 2, and I also installed Wallpaper Engine using the same method. That's basically it. Just follow the steps carefully, and you'll be able to set everything up without issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads.